morning. Magandang umaga, everyone. Good morning, babies. Baby boy and baby girl.
Mama.
Yes. What? Open the curtain?
No.
What? Close? You. Good morning. Good morning, baby sis. Bless you. It's another day of our vacation, baby sis. Hello. Hi. We're ready to swim. Yes, Kuya. Kuya, you ready? Excited si Kuya talaga. Always. Kuya is always excited to swim and go outside. Mura magkurek. Mura magkurek si Karyong. Kuya. Kuya is like a real tourist. Kuya, mura juga kurek dia. 7:30 pa yung buffet dito. Tapos meron ng coffee. Si Kuya at si Papa magsiswimming muna sila. We got the promo room last time. So mag-pictorial muna kami ni Mia kasi we feel so pretty today. Mia is very heavy na, guys. Nananakit na yung ko. Kamay ko. At braso sa kakabit-bit kay Mia kasi mabigat na ang batang to. Baby sis. Ang tawag namin kay Mia ay naging na talaga, baby sis. Baby sis. It's cold? Is it still early? Coffee pala yan.
Okay, we'll go so deep now. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Wow. Good job, Priya. Dito tayo sa beach nila. Ayan. Ito ang beach nila. Tapos, ang swimming pool nandyan. Maligo sila. Dimitri. O, may mga din sila dito. Floating cottages. So peaceful. Okay, I'm coming. Pinatanggal niya yung kanyang floaty sa arm. Kasi magpa-practice daw siya mag-swimming. Gusto niya mag-practice mag-swimming ulit. Papa will stay with baby sis. And I will swim with Kuya.
I want to. For you. You want this or
Yeah, just one. Yeah, watermelon. All right, breakfast.
Papa.
What? You want to wear?
Dito kami sa my poolside. Yung friends namin nandun sa loob kasi si Yuria gusto niya dito sa poolside. Sila naman gusto nila dito doon sa loob ng restaurant. Swimming again?
You have so big biceps already. You cannot wear.
Yeah, because you work out at home.
And sleep a lot.
Yeah, sleep a lot. All you need to do is eat more.
Yeah.
Everything is great.
Eggs. If you want to save your muscle,
You just need to eat more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ah, yeah. He's not wearing his goggles.
Alright, check out kami dito. Punta naman kami ngayon sa pangalawang estehan namin na resort. Sa Sipalay na yun, nasa Hinubaan kami ngayon. Doon naman kami sa Sipalay mag-stay na resort. And look at baby sis. What happened, baby sis? We're ready to go to another resort. Another adventure, baby sis. Little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Do-do-do-da-da, do-do-do-da-da. My little bumblebee. Alright. Mag-lunch na kami. Hahanap kami ng makakainan doon sa Sipalay. Okay, dito kami kakain sa Koi's Food House. Daming choices dito. Seafoods and Filipino foods. Dad! Hello!
Это трюк.
Just wake up lang ang baby. Sweet corn for 50 pesos. Okay, Papa will hold Mia and I will eat first while good mood pa si Mia. Kakain ako. Mauna akong kakain. Sinula dito. I like their food.
Show me fish.
Not sweet.
Here, in big plate.
So yummy food. Hindi namin maubos ang rice. Kasi hindi kinain ni Yuri yung share niya. Nag-corn siya. But, masarap ng food nila. 10 out of 10. You like this place, kuya?
Yeah.
Okay guys, punta na kami sa aming next hotel. 6 minutes lang from the restaurant. Wait. Papunta kami sa aming resort na istehan. Meron sila ditong environmental fee sa area na to. 100 yung sa foreigner and 50 pesos naman ang local, ang Filipino. And magagamit namin to until tomorrow. May visa siya until tomorrow. Kasi until tomorrow kami dito. kambal. Iba-iba ang mama. Kambal na iba-iba ang mama. Kambal na hindi kambal.
Kambal na bro, iba-iba ang mama.
Oh, swimming pool. Wow. Kaso, medyo maulan. Close. Oh, doon malaki pa. Ah, nice slide. Look, kuya, there's a slide.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go.
Look, a slide!
Let's go to our room because it's raining. And this is our view. Wow. The lagoon of Sipalay. Tura tayo, island hopping. Meron silang island hopping tour dito. Dira sa Loyo. Wow, grabe. Ang lakas ng ulan. Pero ang gandang tignan dito. And here's our room. Thank you, kuya. Ang room namin, wow, ang ganda, ang linis. Super clean. Salamat, kuya. Wow. Ang ganda. Wow. Kuya, don't go here, okay? Wow. That's the view right there. Pero, ang lakas ng ulan. Such a sleepy girl. After swimming, natulog agad si Mia. Such a sleepy girl ang baby Mia. Papa, where is Yuri? Yuri is with another family. He has another family there. Nandun siya sa kwarto nila, Zoraida. Gusto daw niya manood ng TV doon kasama yung isang bata, si Arhelia. Kasi natulog si baby sis dito. Knockdown ang isang bata. How much was per night here? 3,000? 3,500 lang dito, guys. Itong room na to. Mas mura siya kaysa doon sa isa naming inistehan kagabi. Maganda din dito. Super ganda ng view. Parang bagong favorite ko na to dito sa Sipalay na resort. Kasi maganda yung view nila dito. We'll check tomorrow. I don't know if gusto nilang I think wala na kaming time mag-island hopping. May island hopping din sila dito na tour. Pero nakatry na kami mag-island hopping last year. Last year pa pala. Nung nagpunta kami dito kasama yung ibang kaibigan namin. Maganda naman yun yung island hopping dito. Maraming mga corals din. Pupuntahan, mag-snorkeling. Tapos, magandang island with white sand beach. Hi, where have you been? Where have you been? Close our door, please. Close the door. Shut the door. Come on.
But I want to go inside.
Shut the door. Fix our things. Yeah, we go home already. End of vacation. Kidding. We're just gonna go have dinner. Oh, wow. Meron naman palang sunset.
Короче, здесь идеальное место просто закат. Просто восхитительно.
Alright, magdi-dinner kami dun sa may beach kanina. Same place kanina sa kinainan namin ng lunch. Dili ta kagawas? Oh. So dito kami kakain.
You want this?
So Dimitri's food, Blue Marlin grilled. Wow, that looks so juicy and yummy. Sisig, bangus.
Banus?
Bangus sisig. That looks so juicy. Can I try? Oh, that's not. That's soup. Kansi. Kansi soup. They have more nice food here. Perfectly grilled. I like that. It's still juicy.
It's yummy.
It's also yummy. Kansi soup.
Soup.
It's beef. It's beef.
Let's try beef.
Mag-take out kami ng
Прям
pizza.
насыщенный суп.
Their pizza looks so yummy as well.
Пицца выглядит тоже.
Mas masarap ang food nila dito kaysa kaninang lunch. Ah, that is not pepperoni. That is ham. Yeah. Look, established 2017, so they really have good pizza here.
And yours, yummy.
Mas masarap talaga yung pagkain nila dito. Mas i-recommend ko to kaysa kanina. Kaninang lunch masarap din naman, pero ito talaga masarap. Ano to?
This is so yummy.
Yeah, even Yuri likes the pizza. This is so yummy. Masarap yung pizza nila, yung grilled fish, yung soup, kansi soup, and itong, ano to, sisig. Masarap siya. Masarap yung timpla nila. And malaki yung serving. Big portion. So, we're done having dinner. We're gonna walk to the beach, guys. Sobrang busog ko. Ang laki ng tiyan, napasarap yung kain ko. Ang sarap ng pagkain kasi nila dito. Highly recommended to. Melken's? What's the name of this restaurant? Melken's Pizza and Restaurant. Okay, mag-walking muna kami dito sa beach. Baby sis is very alive kasi nakapag-nap siya kanina. Come on! This is the Sugar Beach, guys. Baby sis! Hi! So serious si baby sis. Your shadow is so long. You're so tall.
Also yours.
Also mine, yeah.
Papa.
And Papa is the tallest. Wow. All right, everyone. See you tomorrow.
My man's been working so hard lately, wants to give me so much more than I could ever dream. But just to hold him close is such a luxury. I have his heart and that's enough for me. His words, they're honest, his hands steady. Never had someone who loved me oh so tenderly. Now when I think of him,
Good morning, Papa. Good morning, Kuya. And good morning, baby sis. Hello.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama. I found that nothing. No, it's for baby sis.
Hi. Can you say mama? Mama. 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 What? What do you want? Swim. So early pa, Kuya. Let's eat breakfast first.
No.
Kuya, we will go home today. We're gonna check out today.
Tapos ka na utot ano.
Utut. She's not gonna utut. Ayaw, don't push her tummy. Kuya, be gentle. Good morning, guys. Check out na kami ngayon. May na-take out pala kami kagabi na pizza. Kaso busog na ako kagabi kasi ang dami kong nakain na kanin. Hindi namin nakain ang pizza. Si Yuri lang ang kumain nito. Pero masarap pa rin siya until now. Masarap talaga yung pizza nila. Plano ko mag-take out ulit mamaya for our travel going back home. For the road. Kasi masarap yung pizza nila. Ngayon ano na siya?
Oh,
Huh? You don't want to go back home?
I like the hotel.
You like that? Poor guy. But our house is like a hotel, so we even have aircon there.
No, I only like here.
And we have a big TV there, and here is only small. You don't like our big TV? You don't miss our big TV there? No. Oh. Lima is doing exercise. Uy, umulan na naman. Maulan ang aming pasyal dito sa Sipalay. Kahapon umulan din nang dumating kami dito. Ngayon naman umulan ulit. Who decided to be a little princess today? Hi, little princess. Kuya, nabali imong t-shirt. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful baby. But we need to go home. Kuya. We need to go home now.
I don't want.
We have to go home.
No.
Vacation is over. Next time, we will go on vacation again. Soon, on your birthday. Yay! Your birthday is very soon na. Ayaw na umuwi ni Yuri. Sad na ang bata. Kahapon lang ang saya-saya niya. Sad na ulit ang bata. Ayaw niya umuwi. Gusto pa niya mag-swimming. And go home. Drive home. It's very far. What, baby sis? You also don't want to go home, baby sis. Baby sis also don't want to go home. Whee! Somewhere far. Pumayag na siyang umuwi pero dadaan daw kami ng Mr. DIY kasi gusto niyang bumili ng toy na robot. Have? Wow, there is a Mr. DIY here.
9 minutes.
9 minutes? Okay, let's go there first. So we arrived at Mr. DIY. Kaya talaga. Super excited si Kuya. Where is the toy, Kuya? Where are the toys? Uy. Wow, your chick's happy place. Wow. You want the robot? He wants the robot. Ayan, for baby sis. Baby sis paradise here. Show me the one you choose. Show me. Nabali man sa nila. Wow. Unsa na? What is that blue one? Breakfast is ready. Kuya, look how he eat the egg. Just like that. Like a pancake. You need some plate, Kuya. Ice cream. Go. Bili daw ng ice cream si Yuri. Dahil ang tao na ito, kabalo pa. First time yung bumili siya lang. Let's see. Kung alam pa niya bumili. Nang siya lang. Uy, look, he's already far away. I go to another store. Wala nagbayad. Nakalibutang magbayad. Very good, Kuya. You did it. Give me your change. Give me your change. Wow. You did it. Give me this. Very good. Good job. Alright, we're going home, guys.
Papa, my place.
Ang sleepy boy. Dirty kayo ang sanina. Ang dumi ng damit ni Yuri kasi kumain siya ng ice cream kanina sa restaurant.
Такие скучают тут. Кто такие скучают?
It's okay. Tummy time exercise. Back to work. Nainitan si baby. Welcome home. Welcome back home. Nag-ano daw kanina. Sabi ni Ate Abloy may lindol daw kanina 4.5 or 4.3 sa Dumaguete sa ano yung epicenter. Valencia, Negros Oriental. Tapos na-feel namin dito sa Darwin, dito sa Dumaguete. Grabe, malakas daw. Sabi ng tita ko, malakas. Sa Sibulan yung tita ko. Pero na-feel din nila doon, malakas daw. At ang daming nag-post sa Facebook na malakas daw yung lindol kanina. Pero okay naman, wala namang, I think wala namang nasaktan. O wala namang nasira ng mga buildings. Okay, let's open the baby carrier that I ordered in Lazada. It's for Mia para hindi na masakit yung kamay ko sa kakakarga sa bata. Kasi napakabigat na ng batang to. Now just the seat. Cross back for back. Oh, nice! Macho papa. With yeah.
I will be a model.
Yeah. Model for this carrier.
Mama, keep it. Keep it.
Can add this later when she's already 6 months old. But for now, need just to hold her like that. Attach there. Yeah, it's easy to attach and detach, and you can pull it for tightening.
And I'll come back.
Yeah, you can put here your phone. Here, no, nothing.
And just not sleeping.
Yeah, it's rubber, kind of rubber.
And it looks really nice.
Yeah, because it's 1,800 something.
Yeah.
Look at
But
your
it was on sale. Original price was, I think, 2,000, almost 3.
Okay, let it go.
The brand is Love BB and You. Nice. Can I try it? Does it fit me? Now you like holding me, yeah? Review for Lazada. You're gonna be the model.
Oh, wow!
Perfect! My arms will not hurt really. So free now. This arm, because this arm is really so painful. Especially at night I feel it. And here, my hips and my leg. No, it's perfect. For me, I don't know, for me. I think it's also comfortable. Better than I just hold it. Better than I just hold it with my hands. So comfy. Can dance together now.
Marchons, marchons.